Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your trunk in a Honda Accord, or any car kind of has this sort of system for the trunk to keep the trunk open when you lock it. So when you lock it, the trunk's supposed to kind of spring up, maybe at least like so, like this way, and then stay up. Then you can lift it up the rest of the way and then it'll stay up. But now the trunk feels so heavy. And the reason for that, why this happened, is because I overloaded the truck with groceries and I tried to stuff as many things as I could because I had a lot of stuff I had to purchase. And one of the torsion bars just snapped. And this is the one I'm talking about, this here. And there are actually two of them. One of them actually, I think it's in a good condition, but this one just kind of broke. And here's the piece that broke off. So I need to replace this, and I need to replace this torsion bar here, and I think it's also bent a little bit. So this one's done. And I had to do this one other time when this happened to me, maybe a couple of years ago. I made the same mistake of overloading the trunk and trying to close it, and it broke off. So here I am again, replacing these torsion bars, and these are the new ones that I got from Honda dealership, and also the clip that also broke off, that I'll show you where that goes. And I got two of them here, and I think they're the same size. I'm not sure. Maybe the same shape, size, but I got two of them just in case the other one broke too or bent. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So we're going to go inside the trunk. Hopefully you have enough light. And first I'm going to slide inside the trunk. Yes. So here's the one that's going from one end. This is actually the one replaced a couple years ago. Still doing okay so far, I think, unless I bent it. And it goes all the way to here. And I think you can choose either hole, depends how much tension you want. I guess the higher the tension, the more the trunk will pop up once you press the button or pull the lever inside the car. So I think you have one hole here, which I have it set, then second one here, and I think only those two are the options, I believe. The one that I'm about to install goes from here, and the hooks here is a U-shape. I'll show you in a moment how that works, and it goes all the way to this side here, and we're gonna hook it to the first hole so it matches the other one as well, like that. Okay, so let me go ahead and try to feed that line through here, I guess the torsion bar, and I'll show you how that's supposed to look like. And I'll also show you this here clip, which looks like it's completely destroyed. That one's supposed to actually hook to here, and this one looks like it's it's torn. So we'll also install that as well. Okay, so here I have this one hooked here like this, and when I take this end over here and just basically this side is supposed to go this way, and then pry this one to go inside here. We need like a something long, like a pipe or something, like a long screwdriver. It's gonna force it into that little notch here. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you see, actually I've hooked this small hook onto this side of this little like a trunk thing, the little like a, I don't know what it's called, but basically that one goes to the first hole here on the inside, and then it goes all the way to the other side here, and then you have to, this thing comes on the outside and here, and you have to use like a hammer or like a pry bar, and just first hook this end here, and then just pry this here. And what I use this here to hook it here, and then just pry it this way. And it helps also when you have the trunk all the way open, all the way lifted. If you can have somebody lift it for you, or you can actually just use your foot and just lift it up that way if you want to do it by yourself. And then once you get to the end, you can actually, you probably won't, depends what you're using, but basically ideally you want to just kind of clip it this end here, like pry it, so there should be tension, a lot of tension. That's what kind of keeps the trunk open. And then at the same time you can use another tool like a hammer to basically just push it with the other hand like this, so that way it kind of slides to this groove here. And you'll see the same thing, you'll see the other thing also works the same way, the other torsion bar. And you can see I made some scratches here when I was installing it. I guess if you want to protect the paint on the inside, you can put some rag, so that way when you're prying it, you don't scratch anything on the inside, but that's no big deal. Nobody else will see that. So this plastic thing, how it's supposed to be installed, it's super easy. Once you have these two torsion bars installed, you can just take this is the old one that's broken, and this thing's supposed to be tucked inside, like this one is. And then there's a little knob right here. You stick this knob diagonally here, like this, into this little like a square. And when you have it diagonally like this, and you stick it in there, it'll fit perfectly. And then once you and this thing is supposed to go on the inside, you'll see. Sorry. And this thing here is supposed to go into this little like a groove here. So basically, so I'm not really good at explaining. So basically, once you have this little knob here stuck in, and you also fit this end here inside as well, the little other hole, and you just stick it in there and you just turn it clockwise, and it should be sitting like this. And then you're gonna clip these torsion bars, one here, one on the bottom, and then you'll just close this clip inside here. And I have the other part that's broken, so this part here kind of closes this way like that, and then that's what's gonna hold these two torsion bars in place. And let's go ahead now and test the trunk. Let me first get out. Okay, so let's get the keys. Got the keys. Okay, I'm gonna go close the trunk. And then let's open it. See? It stays open, and it also stays up. Before, it would just come down, it wouldn't even stay up. And also when you open the trunk, it wouldn't pop up, but now it does. So that's how you fix it. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know. The parts I actually got from the Honda dealership, and they were maybe about both torsion bars and the little plastic clip, so maybe about $46 total. And only needed one torsion bar, so I just returned the other one here. And that's that. So if you guys found this video helpful, I tried to make it as detailed as possible, so just to help you out the best I can. So if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I have other videos coming up on my Beetle, which is a work in progress. But if you want to check out some videos on that, check out my channel, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.